Sir, I rise to support this short duration discussion raised by our honorable member representing Maulai constituency. So when I look at the statement given by our honorable Minister Kyrmen Shylla, so I think maybe it's a slip of tongue, and I feel that we should give him a benefit of doubt. However, sir, I feel that this kind of a statement needs to be condemned in the strongest possible term. So why do we try to sow a seed of division, differences among the sub-tribes of the Khasi tribe? Let me reiterate what Bah Ardent has just said, that there are 7 sub-tribes in the Khasi tribe. They are Ukhenriam, Upanar, Ubhoy, Uwar, Ulingam, Umuliang, and Unongtrai. So therefore, we should not try to bring any division. And to bring home to a point, I would like to read out from this book, which is a research work about the Khasis. Here, to make us convinced that yes, we belong to the same tribe. We may stay in Ribhoi, we may stay in Giant Hills, we may stay in any part of the Khasi Giant region, but we belong to the same tribe. And we know that we have clan. And for Kakur, it is not expected for any kind of marriage to take place within the clan. So let me read out some of the clans that are there in Giant Hills and here in this part of the region where they belong to the same clan. Dengdo Ba, Dengdo Kla, Dengdo Shnganlang, Paryong Khenriam belong to the same Kur with the Lalu Panar. That means these clan cannot have a marriage among them, sir. Shabong, Mukhim, and Khenriam belongs to the same Kur with the Shalam Panar. Thank you, Khenriam belongs to the same Kur with the Slong Panar. Shylla, Pariat, and Padi Panar, Lingdo Nongri, Lingdo Nongri, Khenriam belongs to the same Kur with the Sharap and Pasa Panar. So this itself speaks volume of the fact that we belong to the same tribe, the Khasi tribe. So, sir, I feel that I know that there are some forces that are trying to divide this community by saying no, that Panar, they are not Khasis. But to those, sir, I would like to ask a very simple question. If you feel that you are not Khasis, so the question here is, how do you introduce yourself when you purchase a property or land in Maulai, in Latgod, in Nongpamai, in Sado? Do you introduce yourself as a non-Khasis, or do you introduce yourself as a para-Khasi? So therefore, let us avoid. And I am sure that maybe this is a slip of tongue on the part of the minister, which I feel we should consider and giving him a benefit of doubt. Because even the chief minister also, sometimes he made thoughtless statement. Like yesterday, when he remarked against the members belonging to this site, that we are not responsible, we are not showing any discipline. So, let me inform this house that I am coming from a family that has given everything to the state, and I did not come from a family that have taken everything from the state, sir. So I didn't get the opportunity to take a break in Europe and abroad. So after a hectic tour during these 3-4 months, sir, even if I find a place anywhere to break, I take a break for rest because I'm a human being. So, sir, I don't have also an aim on an objective to become the richest person in India. So had I had that dream or that objective, I would have chosen to be in the ruling side, no matter what. But, sir, I show the responsibility that we are responsible enough for the state, which is why we take this side of the house to raise issues concerning the state and its people. And it is not my wish to become also one of the richest chief minister in India, sir, but to give the best we can for the people of the state. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat.